This 5-axis intelligent bridge cutting machine is powered by a 5-axis linkage CNC system, equipped with absolute value bus servo, power off memory function, high precision linear guides, ball screw drive, and oil immersed track. It stands out for its versatility, high cutting accuracy, and great stability. It can process various stone products like random shaped lines, fan-shaped plates, bathroom vanity tops, and special shaped edges. With multiple functions, wide applications, small footprint, and easy operation, it's a perfect helper for stone fabrication.